Right after the issue with the freezer door, a little pin snapping, I had a bit of a epiphany, wondering how I could fix it. So basically, I thought I could drill a hole, maybe insert a little nail or a bit of wire, but then I saw, when I was looking through my bits and pieces, there was rivets. So I grabbed a rivet. These are the ones that I had that best suited the size of the hole where the fridge door sits. I cut them to a size, heated them up on the old vice grips, heated them up. I set them so they were half the thickness of that distance here, roughly, because the holes in the fridge actually go all the way through. So I had that held on there, heated up with my little gas torch till it was red hot, and then set it down with the thing there and just lay it in. I did this twice. Lay it in once, let it cool off till it's to the touch, and then did the same with this side. And then I went and test fitted it, and it wasn't quite able to swing out properly because the offset was out a bit. So I redid it, pushed them in further, but I pushed them sort of up into this little ridge, so they almost come up into where the original ones were. So now, when you refit it, it actually works really well. So those holes, they go all the way through to the outside, so you only need a little bit. Pop that in, and I had to trim just a little smidge off the plastic, because when I pushed it in, it pushed the plastic out, and it was just hindering it a bit. So I just had to trim that off with a knife. You'll see the photos of that. Goes in there and works as normal. Just obviously the alignment's not quite right, so you just push that in, and we have working freezer door again, and possibly even stronger than original. And when I pushed that in, there was excess being pushed out, so I just used a steel ruler and just folded that excess over to try and seal it and just add extra biting or gluing style ability as well. So I hope that helps you. Did reverse the door. The door was pretty easy to reverse. It's just taking this top plate off and then unscrewing these, and then swapping that one for the one down here, and the one under here goes up here. So it's not too bad to swap the door around.